In an exclusive interaction with Mirror Now, Mumbai Guardian Minister Deepak Kesarkar addressed concerns about the concretization of roads and allegations of former BJP corporator that only 15% of the work has been done. Now, Kesarkar stated that he would inquire about the issue with the department and acknowledge that the area is congested, requiring attention to traffic issues. Take a look.
Why only 15% of works has been done is what the corporator is claiming.
No, since at the last moment you are asking me this question, I will ask the department what is the fact. It is quite possible that the area which Makarand Narvekarji represents is a very congested area. So whenever you do concrete work, you have to think about the traffic also, how many traffic jams will be there. So probably his area could be lagging in concreting. We'll inquire about it and we'll see to it that this area is also given justice.
So according to your knowledge, is there any figure which has been mentioned that this much work has been done for the concretization of the city?
Because of the model code of conduct, as you know that every week I visit corporation, but last 1 or 2 months I have not visited, but I have certainly visited the monsoon work program, and there the work was satisfactory. Regarding concrete work also, Honorable CM had given clear-cut instructions that wherever the work is not complete, stop it at that stage, rectify or do alternate arrangement and see that no public inconvenience is there.
Alright, since my colleague Shrishti did get a reaction from the minister, let's also listen into important voices as far as citizens are concerned.
Well, the monsoons have arrived and the same old problem of potholes is yet again haunting the citizens of Mumbai. Right now, where we are present is at the important connector here in Sion, which connects Mumbai city and suburbs. This road comes from Dadar and joins towards BKC. But you can see the condition of this particular road. It is very patchy, bumpy and pothole ridden. The cement road is also constructed over here, but its condition is very bad.
Very difficult because of these potholes and during monsoon especially, and while riding a two-wheeler it is very difficult because the bike can slid, so it's really very difficult for. I really hope that government should work on it and do something for the betterment of the roads.
ये काफ़ी टाइम से ये रोड है ना पूरा वो बन ही नहीं रहा है. मैं पिछले 1 साल से देख रहा हूँ. तो क्या है कभी अगर एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो किसी को लग सकता है. तो मेरी यही दरख्वास्त है कि अच्छा रोड बन जाए.
ये सीमेंट का रोड हालांकि बनाया हुआ है पर इसकी भी हालत काफ़ी खराब दिखती है.
हाँ, लेकिन इन लोग ध्यान ही नहीं देते ये चीज़ पे.
तो मैडम कभी अचानक से नज़र नहीं पड़ी, खड्डा है, कहीं स्लिप हो गया गाड़ी तो गिर उड़ जाएंगे. रोड तो बहुत ख़राब है.
ये पूरी सिचुएशन मुंबई में, पूरे मुंबई में आपको लगता है?
हाँ, इधर का कुछ ज़्यादा लगता है यहाँ.
So this is an important road connecting Sion and Mahim. So the vehicular traffic is quite high during the peak hours. So a number of times even I have slipped due to, as you can see, the number of potholes are too many, and even I have slipped a number of times. And if you notice, the speed of the cars reduces as this patch comes, because even during the monsoon season it becomes too slippery. And this has been the same condition since the last 2-3 years because of the metro construction that is going on.